everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to bronze up your face correctly, and also I'm gonna tell you the difference between bronzer and contour. And yes, I want to make a separate video on this topic, like how to contour and then how to bronze. Like I want to show what is the difference between two. But today in this video we are just gonna talk about bronzer and the right way to bronze up your face and what difference does it makes. And yeah, if you want to know how to bronze up your face, then please continue watching. So I'm gonna use this Sephora bronzer, and this is basically a trio palette. It has this bronzer and the contour shade as well. So there is a difference between contouring and bronzing, which I am going to make a separate video on this, like the difference between bronzer and contour. So you have to bronze up your face where the sunlight actually makes shadow on your face. Let me show you what I'm saying. So this is the shade of bronzer that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna take this round brush because a bronzer is like it falls on your face like in diffusing way, like it diffuses on your face, and a contour is like a sharp and sculpted thing which gives your face dimension. I'm gonna pick it up on this round brush, if you can see. Now I'm gonna explain you what you should do and what people generally do, which is not at all right way of bronzing up your face. So basically bronzing up your face manipulates the face shape, like it gives it more dimension. So first for cheeks. For cheeks, you need to bronze like a little below. You don't have to bronze up your cheekbones. Otherwise, your cheekbone, like this is the highest feature of your face. And if you apply bronzer there, it will look like droopy. So all you need to do is feel your cheekbones here, and just below this, apply it like this way. And now you need to blend it in upward motion, not downward, because that is when your face will look uplifted. If you blend it downwards, your face will look droopy. So you can see how much difference does it actually makes to your face. Now just look at the difference, like both sides. This is looking like really flat and this is giving some dimension to my face. Now you have to take it all the way to your temples and then to your hairline above. And now for forehead, like I have small forehead, so I don't need to cut it a lot. But those who have like big forehead, what they have to do is just take the bronzer and apply it here close to your hairline, and then this part of your forehead needs to bronze up so that your forehead looks small. But for those who have already a small forehead, all you need to do is just apply this bronzer close to your hairline. And now when I'm gonna bring it down, I'm gonna cover this area like my brow to my hairline. So I'm gonna pat it here. Now comes the jawline. So I'm gonna again apply bronzer here on the brush, and I'm gonna apply it on my jawline in this circular motion. So this will make your jawline look sharp. If you have double chin, just apply it here as well. And now you can see my jawline is looking so sharp because I have given you all an illusion of sharp jawline. Otherwise it's not at all. So this is how you have to play with your bronzer. And now for nose, I take this angular brush. I apply it like this way, like from my eyebrow to here. And now one more thing, what I like to do is, like if you have a flat chin and you want to make it elongated, I am taking the bronzer on this angular brush because it is like a very precise kind of brush. So I don't use round brush for my chin, and then I cut my chin like this. Like you have to give it a V shape, and this way it will look extruded. And here you go. So now the face is looking sharp and chiseled. This is what bronzer is for. It really helps a lot in makeup. And yeah, alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope this video is helpful for you all. And now you can see when I'm done with my whole makeup, this is how your face looks like it is like so many colors on your face. If you do not bronze up, your face will look like plain and pale, which doesn't look flattering at all. So if you like this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.